Baby, read the fine print.
Hey guys, my name is Dwayne Pamela. I love inspiring, I love sharing motivational content with you guys. If you're a new viewer, I welcome you to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, hello. I'll be focusing on self-discovery. That is my favorite topic. So guys, 2023 should be a different year for you. It should be a year where you are going to be focusing on yourself, and self-discovery is the right thing to do. Let's start by defining the word self-discovery. Self-discovery means getting to know who you are as a person. Self-discovery is about understanding ourselves. I feel like the more you get to know yourself is the less you will start to care on what other people are thinking of you. The more you get to know yourself, it is the more you will start to find your identity. So guys, I love this one. Self-discovery is the fundamental pillar of self-growth. You can never ever develop self-growth if you do not know which aspect of your life needs growth. So guys, knowing yourself is important. Knowing your true potential is important. Understanding your feelings is important. Knowing your preferences is important. That's why you need self-discovery in your midst, because the moment you allow self-discovery to take control over your life, you are going to understand your true feelings. You will be able to know your preferences. You will be able to know your true potential. You will never ever understand your true potential if you do not give yourself time to get to know more about yourself. If you do not know yourself, you will never ever be able to know your strength and weaknesses. Self-discovery is an important source of personal transformation. Without self-discovery, one cannot be transformed. Without knowing yourself, one cannot grow. Without knowing yourself, one can never understand their capabilities. So guys, self-discovery is the first step in living a purposeful life. You can never live a purposeful life if you do not know yourself. You can never ever live a life that has meaning in it if you do not know your true potential. With self-discovery, you are able to know your purpose. With self-discovery is also important in our career because it helps you to understand which career matches your interest. Self-discovery helps you to understand which career matches your strength. If you do not know yourself, you will end up believing that your existence is meaningless. Knowing yourself is important because when you know yourself, you will know your values. When you know yourself, you will be able to make better decisions that align with who you are and what you care about. So guys, just like success, self-discovery is not an overnight thing. Self-discovery is a journey. Self-discovery requires patience. Self-discovery requires commitment. If you want to know yourself, if you want to know and understand yourself better, you need to be more patient. Self-discovery is a constant thing. Just because you know a few facts about yourself, it does not mean that your journey should end. Every day, you should make it your duty to try and understand yourself better. There are many benefits to self-discovery. One of my favorite is that with self-discovery, one can understand themselves more. With self-discovery, there's no room for self-doubt. With self-discovery, there is room for improvement. With self-discovery, there is room for self-growth. With self-discovery, you do not care about what other people are saying about you. Self-discovery will help you to improve your emotional intelligence because you will be now understanding yourself better.